Hello, you are welcome to our channel once again. So in this tutorial, we shall be explaining how to position your wall plate. If you made it. So the first thing is that the size of wood to be used for ideal for wall plate is either a 3x4 or 2x4, as the case may be. The best is 3x4, which is 75 mm by 100 mm. So why the at worst do not use lesser than 2x4, which is 50 mm by 100 mm. So and make sure you use the full 4. So in this case now you can see that's the wall plate on the wall, as the name suggests, wall plate. So it's going to be on the wall. So as it is, you position it on the wall. Later on, you are going to hold it with your either your flat bar or your cutter rod. So not only on the wall, after the perimeter wall. So after the perimeter wall, you now position it at interval internally, which may fall on the internal wall and may not fall on the internal wall. Then how do you determine the position, the distance between two wall plates, or between the external the perimeter and the internal one, that you are the first internal wall plate? So you actually need to know the length of your wood, precisely your tie beam that you'll be using. So you have to make sure that your internal wall plate can support your tie beam at the joint. For instance, if your tie beam is 3 meters long, so between your external wall plate, the perimeter wall plate, and the next internal wall plate, make sure you position the internal wall plate at maybe 2.8 meters distance. So by the time you'll be putting your tie beam, so the joint will rest on the wall plate. So the next wall plate will be positioned at 2.8 interval as well. So that by the time you position it, you'll be joining the tie beam, it will be resting on it as well. The joint will also be resting on it. So there won't be any failure at the joint for any reason. Thank you. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe for more of this. Thank you, and like and also share with your family and friends. Bye.